What if I wanna like have a messenger but for a string? So a string like different words or different texts, and let's try this with a new function called append, append function. And as I said, this is very helpful, but for string. So let's create like variable one. As I said, it's string, so string, we can write whatever we want. Maybe like something like hello, v2, it's me. Whoever like very big in songs, you would understand. Okay, let's connect them together if we want. Both are string, right? So now if we use append, so combine strings, and this is the actual function why we are explaining right now. And do expect us to like input the strings that we did create earlier. So right now, if I press run section, I'm gonna give me hello, it's me. What if I create space here? Now it creates a space. So make sure that you are having the punctuation ready, all the like formatting that makes the output as like best way as you want. Okay, so append is for string. What if we try with characters? Let's try like character one. Maybe never, but character two. Say never. And let's put space here. Okay, same sequence. Let's try now like append. Okay, character one with character two. Here we go. Never say never. Never. Never say never. So append, moral of the story, does work with strings and it does work with characters as well. Okay. Okay, so now we have messenger for characters, we have messenger for string, and we said we have messenger also for matrices. Okay, so what if I want to have arrays? Is append will work with arrays? So let's see if this will work out. So let's create an array of like first names. So let's create something like Michael, maybe. Space is just the separation in a matrices. So if I have a space, it's similar as comma. Like if I press comma here, it will do the same job as a space and Johnny. Okay, so this is the first names. Let's create last names. So I want a first name dot last name. So let's press dot and let's write the last name, something like neck. Same concept. Dot Ray maybe. Dot Duke. It's I think Spanish name, I do believe. Okay, and then let's try append. So first names, comma, last names. And he said like string versus string. Like if any matrices with bunch of strings, you can also connect like with append, or it has like different formatting with different like variables, which make you think about append function in anything you want to connect, whether like it's matrices, string, character. So right now, if we press run, I have my first name dot last name, first name dot last name, first name dot last name.